I will talk about how can you add photo profile on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here, you click above your photo profile here in this sign. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on edit profile. So then you come to next here, then you click in this sign. So then here can you set your photo profile if you want to add here avatar in here from your Facebook, here from your gallery, and here from your Google. So when you're done, click here on done. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.